We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
Welcome to my YouTube channel IT Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 3 of recently launched Exp22 course, focusing on ML2 Grades. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exams, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. Title of assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 3 ML2 Grades. You can see project description here to get idea about your assignment. First step is about Start Excel. Download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 3 ML2 Grades. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. In this step, you have download and open the file Exp22 Excel Chapter 3 ML2 Grades. You can download this file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this file. So move to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about a pie chart is an effective way to visually illustrate the percentage of the class that earned A, B, C, D, and F grades. Use the Insert tab to create a pie chart from the final grade distribution data located below the student data in the range F35 to G39 and move the pie chart to its own sheet named distribution. In this tab, we have to create pie chart by using the range F35 to G39. Go to the Excel worksheet. Here, we will open our Excel worksheet and select the range F35 to G39. We will select this range. Go to the Insert tab. In Chart Groups, click on Recommended Charts. We will go in All Charts and here we will click on Pie Chart. Our pie chart will be shown here. Click OK to create pie chart on this range. Our pie chart will be created. Now move to the pie chart to its own sheet named distribution. We have to move this chart on the new sheet that name is distribution. Click to the move chart. Here we have to move chart to the new sheet. So we will click here new sheet and give name distribution. Click OK. It will create our new sheet that is distribution sheet and contains our pie chart. Step number 2 is completed now. Move to the next step, that is step number 3. You should enter a chart title to describe the purpose of the chart. You will customize the pie chart to focus on particular slices. Apply the Style 12 chart style. Type AC200 Final Grades Fall 2024 for the chart title. Explode the A grade slice by 7%. Change the F grade slice to dark red. Remove the legend. In this step, we have to change the style of the chart. Apply the Style 12 chart style. Move to the Excel worksheet. Here, in Design tab, we will go to the Chart Style group and we have to apply Chart 12 style. Style 12 to the chart. Type AC200 Final Grades Fall 2024 for the chart title. We will select this. Go to the Excel worksheet and double click to select the chart title and write chart title that we have to copy. AC200 Final Grades Fall 2024. It's our new title of the pie chart. Explode the A grade slice by 7%. We have to explode A slice by 7%. We will see our A slice is dark blue. We will select it by double clicking on it. Go in the Format Data Points. We have to explode 7%. In the point expression, we will increase it from 0 to 7. Now we explode our A slice by 7%. Change the F grade slice to dark red. We have to change the color of the F slice with dark red. Select the F grade slice. Our F grade slice is light blue. Select by double clicking on it. We will go into the Home tab. In Font Groups, we will select our color. In Colors group, we will select dark red. Now our F grade slice is dark red. Remove the legend. Go to the Excel worksheet. We will click here and remove the legends. Step number 3 is completed now. Move to the next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is about a basic practice is to add all text for accessibility complaints. Add all text. Most students earn B and C grades, including periods. We have to enter our all text. Select this, including periods. Go to the Excel worksheet. We have to add our all text. We will right click here. We have to add our all text. So right click here and select all text. In description, we will write our all text content. More students earn B and C grades. Press enter and now it's add our all text. Move to the next step, that is step number 5. You want to add data labels to indicate the category and percentage of the class that earn each letter grade. Add data labels in the inside and position. Select data label options to display percentage and category name. Remove the various data labels. In this step, basically we have to add data labels in the inside and position. Go to the Excel worksheet. We have to add our data labels. So we will click here and add data labels. We have to set inside position. We will click on more options and from label position we will select inside and position. Select the data labels options to display percentage and category name. In data labels we have to display category name and percentage. So we will check these category name and percentage. Remove the values data label. We will have to remove the values. So we will uncheck these boxes. Box of value. Step number 5 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is about apply 18 pt size and apply black text 1 font color to the data labels. In this step basically we have to change our font size and color of the data labels. Go to the Excel worksheet. We will do right click here and click on format data labels. In format data labels we will go to the Home tab. In font groups we will increase its font size from 9 to 18. 18 point font size and font color to black text 1. It will change the font size and color of data labels. Move to the next step, that is step number 7. In step number 7 we have to want to create a bar chart to depict grades for a sample of the students in the class. Create a clustered bar chart using the range A5 to D5 and A18 to D23 in the grades worksheet. Move the bar chart to its own sheet named sample scores. In this step, we have to firstly create our cluster bar chart using this range in the grades worksheet, and then we have to move this bar chart to its own sheet named sample score. So firstly, we will select this range in grades worksheet. Go to the Excel worksheet and ensure that here we have to active grades worksheet. select the range F5 to D5 and A18 to D23. A18 to D23. After selecting both ranges, we will go into the Insert tab. In the Charts group, click on the recommended charts. We will go in All Charts. Here we have to show all charts. Now we have to select Cluster Bar Chart. So we will click on the bar and here we have to show Cluster Bar Chart. Click OK to create Cluster Bar Chart. Now our Cluster Bar Chart is created. Move the bar chart to its own sheet named Sample Scores. Go to the Excel worksheet again. Now we have to move this chart. Click on the Move Chart. We have to move it in New Sheet. So we will select New Sheet and write sheet name Sample Scores. Click OK. It creates our new sheet that name is Sample Scores that contain our chart. Move to the next step, that is step number 8. Step number 8 is about customize the bar chart with these specifications. Style 5 chart style, legend on the right side in 11-point font size, light gradient SN2 fill color for the plot area. So first of all, we will change the chart style to style 5. Go to the Excel worksheet. We have to apply chart style. So in the design tab, we will go in the chart style group and select the chart style 5. Style 5 is here. Click OK to apply it. Now we have to move the legend on the right side in 11-point font size. So go to the Excel worksheet. We will click on the chart and go to the Legends tab. More options. We have to move the legends to the right. Click on right. It will move our legends to the right side, and now we have to increase its size to 11 pt font size. In the Home tab, in font groups, we will increase its font size from 9 to 11. Now it will increase our font size of the legends. Light gradient SN2 fill color to the plot area. Now we have to change our plot area color with light gradient SN2 fill color. Move to the Excel worksheet. We will click on the plot area, do right click on it and select Format Plot Area. Click on Fill and select here gradient fill. In gradient fill, we will select our light gradient SN2. Here we will select light gradient SN2. Now it will apply our light gradient SN2 fill color to plot area of the chart. Next step is step number 9. Step number 9 is about the chart needs a descriptive title. Type sample student test scores for the chart title. Now we have to change this chart title. We will copy this text, go to the Excel worksheet, double click on chart title to select this, and we will type our new title, that is sample student test scores. Total steps in this assignment is 21. I have done 9 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining steps of this assignment or help in another assignments, exams, quizzes, our entire course covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Finance, Management, Information Technology and more. Feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in description and display on screen and make deal. I assure you for achieving an A grade in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.